Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable ad blocker in Google Chrome. All right, so let's begin with the video. Now, there are two different ways you can disable an app or site blocker in Google Chrome, depending on how it's set up. The first method applies if you're using a third-party app blocker or ad blocker extension. To do this, go to the top right corner of Google Chrome and click on the three dots. From here, hover over Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. Once you're on the extensions page, look for the app blocker or ad blocker extension you're using. To disable it temporarily, simply toggle the switch off. If you want to remove it completely from your computer, you can click on Remove, and the extension will be fully uninstalled. The second method is for Chrome's built-in blocking settings if you're not using any extensions. Again, click on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Site Settings, then scroll down until you reach the Content section. Under this section, click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Here, you'll see the default behavior set to block pop-ups. To disable this restriction, simply change the setting to Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Once you've done that, Chrome's built-in app or pop-up blocking will be disabled. And that's it. So that's basically how you can disable ad blocker in Google Chrome. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.